Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to control who can mention you in their story using the Twitch app on your Android phone. Whether you want to allow everyone, only followers, or no one at all, this quick guide will help you adjust your settings easily. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom to open your profile section. From the menu, select Account Settings. Next, tap on Security and Privacy. This section handles all your account security options. After that, scroll down until you find Story Mentions and tap it. Finally, you'll see three options: Everybody, People you follow, or Nobody. Choose the option that best fits your privacy preference. And that's it. You've just learned how to control who can mention you in their story on Twitch. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.